If you're looking to create a Bluehost account and aren't sure where to start, this Bluehost tutorial is for you. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a Bluehost account, choose the right hosting plan, register your domain name, complete the checkout process, and access your Bluehost dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll have your Bluehost account fully set up and be ready to start building your website. Let's get started. To create your Bluehost account, click the Bluehost discount link in the description below. The link will take you directly to an exclusive Bluehost offer page where you can claim up to 78% off hosting, plus a free domain name for your first year on qualifying annual plans. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest pricing available. Once you click the Bluehost discount link, you'll land on the Bluehost website. Click the View WordPress Plans button to begin creating your Bluehost account. You'll now see the Bluehost hosting plans available. The first option is the one-site plan. This plan includes one website, great for blogs, portfolios, personal websites, or smaller websites. Next is the starter plan. This includes up to 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe SSD storage, a good option for growing websites or users managing multiple websites. Next is the Business Essentials plan. This plan includes up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe SSD storage. It's a great choice for business websites, growing websites, or users who want additional performance, security, and room to scale. Then there's the E-commerce Essentials plan. This plan is designed for online stores, business websites, and higher traffic websites that need advanced e-commerce features and additional resources. For most beginners creating a single website, the one-site plan is a great place to start. If you think you may create additional websites in the future, the starter plan is usually the better overall value. After selecting your plan, you'll move to the domain registration page. Here, you can register a new domain name, connect a domain you already own, or choose your domain later. If you're creating a new website, enter the domain name you'd like and click Search for a domain to see if it's available. If you already own a domain name, click I want to use a domain I already own, enter your existing domain information. If you're not ready to choose a domain yet, simply click Choose Domain Later. Bluehost can provide a temporary domain so you can start building your website right away and claim your free domain later. You may also see Domain Privacy Plus protection during setup. This feature is optional and helps keep your personal contact information private in the public WHOIS database. Next, you'll arrive at the checkout page. Here, you can select your billing term. In most cases, longer-term plans provide the biggest savings. Keep in mind, annual plans include a free domain name. Monthly plans generally cost more overall. Monthly plans typically do not include a free domain. For this tutorial, I'll select the 12-month term. Next, create your Bluehost account by entering your email address and creating a password. You may also see optional add-ons during checkout. These are completely optional, so feel free to select only the features you actually need. Once you're ready, enter your payment information and click Submit Payment to complete your purchase. After your order is complete, Bluehost will email you your login information and receipt. Once your purchase is complete, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. If you're building a WordPress website, Bluehost automatically installs WordPress for you during the setup process. After completing the setup steps, you'll have full access to your Bluehost account dashboard. From the dashboard, you can manage your hosting account, access your websites, manage domains, create professional email accounts, access website settings and tools, contact Bluehost support, and that's how to create a Bluehost account step by step. Your Bluehost account is now set up and ready for you to start building your website. If this tutorial helped you create your Bluehost account, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Bluehost and WordPress tutorials.